So just a quick video. This is motivational for me really, not for anybody else, but I thought you might like a little short video walk around of the Chippy. I'm really pleased, really pleased. Never built a model this big, and I'm really happy with the way it's come out. I've even had to set the camera to wide angle to actually get this beastie in. At a 103-inch span, it's more than I'm normally comfortable with, but as you can see, the wing gaps are still not sorted, but getting there. The undercarriage slotted in really nicely and clamped up really well. However, if you look at that wheel, it's nice and forward facing. But then you look at this wheel and there's some toe out, so I may have to remake or revisit the inner section of that and re-drill the point at which the screw, this little screw here, which is the one that aligns with the track. What I've obviously done is I've cut the track slightly offline, and that's where my machining skills are really letting me down. I don't know how to align things and to line them up, especially rotational parts like that, round bits like that. So I'll get better as we have practice. We get better, don't we? So, but that's actually not as much machining to do as you'd think. So I'm probably just going to drill that hole there, probably just slightly further around. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, but I may have to cut another channel in the leg, you know, at the back, and do it that way. I don't know, but anyway, that's where we're at. But one thing that I did think I wanted you to see was the effect of that Ryogel, what was it, 567 grease. Now if you look at this area here where the oleo extends, and I'll take the weight of the model, it's not obviously fully loaded yet because I've still not got batteries and the motor in it, and paint, but it's probably closer to the final weight than you think. Anyway, watch this. So how about I lift it? The undercarriage gently extends, and then when I put it back down, slowly collapses. Now I'll show you that again because you might think my hand is in there slowing that down, but there we go, fully extended. Put it down, hand away. Isn't that nice? And that's why I waited for the stuff to come from the States. Magic stuff. So there we are. Just a quick video to show you what it's like. I've next got to do some sort of structure inside the top of the cowl and the bottom of the cowl, or not in the cowl but on the fuselage, and it'll just be shaped pieces of quarter ply that are shaped to the outside of the cowl, or the inside of the cowl, sorry, along there, and to the structure that is underneath there on the fuselage, and then these parts will be glued to the fuselage, and then the cowl will be screwed to it through the top and through the bottom. If you recall, the sides both hinge up, although I'll probably only hinge the other side. I don't know why, but I always seem to hinge the port side of a model for battery access. Anyway, there you go. I think you agree. That's looking mighty impressive, isn't it? I'm really looking forward to flying this. That's all for now. Next video soon. I don't know what it'll be covering, but next video soon.